Hello student, welcome to VidyaNest. Today we are going to start new chapter probability. Probability is not new for you. You were taught this thing in class 9, even in class 10.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So probability only for class 11. In class 12, the more advanced level will be taught. See, probability. What is the basic? Now, first we will discuss from where probability is invoked. Probability actually, it came from gambling. So, probability is called black mathematics. Black mathematics means the from black portion of the society, this concept of mathematics was invoked. Now, what is the classical definition of probability? Probability of any event say E, is favorable event by total event. Favorable event, if you relate this to set theory, suppose there is a set that is called universal set S. Universal set, and universal set is total event, and one event, say E, belongs to this set, belongs to this collection of events, that is called favorable event. So number of elements in E by number of elements in S, that is called probability of occurrence of any event E. Now, if you replace E by S, so here this E also be replaced. Cancel 1. So probability of S is 1. It is called certain event. So here S is called certain event, means the occurrence of or chance of occurrence always 1. It is called, if that thing occur, it is called certain event. Certain event means जो एक बारी इसका chance of occurrence एक होगा, only once. ठीक है?
Oh,
Now, suppose there is a set, null set. Now, how many elements will be there in null set? 0. So, in that case, probability will be 0 by ns, 0. So, what we have observed, therefore, probability of any events must be confined in 0 to 1. It cannot go beyond 1, cannot come below 0. Okay. So, this is the basics of probability.
okay, sir.
For example, suppose a dice is thrown. Let a dice is thrown. If you throw a dice, then how many events, how many outcomes will be there? Then 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, probability of occurrence of 3. So, see, out of this 6 number, if what is the chance of getting 3? 1 time, 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting 2? 1 by 6, not 2 by 6, 1 by 6. It comes once out of 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you throw 2 dice, if if 2 dice are thrown at a time, then find the probability of getting sum of digits greater than 10. Sum of digits occurred. First of all, we have to judge if 1 dice are thrown, then total number of events 6. So 2 dice 12? No. 6 into 6. Why? Suppose first dice is 1 occurs. With 1, second dice is 1. First dice is 1, second dice is 2. First dice is 1, second dice is 3. In this way, with first dice is 1, second dice is 6 will come. So, with one of the first dice, there will be 6 arrangement of second dice.
Okay,
Similarly,
sir.
with 2 of first dice, there will be 6 arrangements of the second dice. So, the calculation will be on, and with 6 of the first dice, there will be 6 arrangement of the second dice. So, total outcome, not 12. Six into 6, 36. Total outcome 6 into 6, 36. Now,
Okay, sir.
what arrangements will give you the event which indicates that sum greater than 10? See, if I get 5,6, means 5 in the first die and 6 in the second die, their summation greater than 10, or reverse, 6,5 and 6,6. So, in these 3 events, sum of events greater than 10. So, favorable event 3, total event 36, that is total outcome.
Yes, sir.
3. So, probability, it like function, what is the role of variable? Sum greater than 10, which is written inside this box, is favorable event by total event. By cancellation, you are getting 1 by 12. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is, very nominal question. But though it is nominal, but ideologically, we cannot ignore it. Because sometimes from nominal or from negligible part of maths we can expect competitive level question in JEE. Let us take one examples of such type.
Okay, sir.
Let n be the sum of numbers appeared when two fair dice when two fair dice are thrown. And let the probability let the probability that n minus 2 root 3n n plus 2 are in geometric progression B 1 by 48. See what how did I propagate the sum? Let n be the sum of the numbers appeared. See how can you get the connection with this sum to the previous one? See here sum is greater than 10. Here you got the sum is greater than 10. That means in this sum capital N was greater than 10. Now here you observe n be the sum of the numbers appeared when two fair dice are rolled or thrown, and the probability is 1 by 48 where n minus 2 root 3n and n plus 2 are in GP. Okay, could you follow this question?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो n क्या है? वो जो दो जो डाइस रोल किया उसका ऊपर जो नंबर आएगा उसका समेशन जो प्रीवियस सम में 10 था. नाउ
हाँ
उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी भी बोल दिया 1 by 48 जो हमने निकाला प्रीवियस सम में वो भी बोल दिया यहाँ पे. एन एन का एक क्राइटेरिया भी बोल दिया क्या? n-2 रूट 3n n plus 2 जीपी में है. तो यहाँ से
ओके
एन का एक आइडिया आया ना, उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी बोल दिया 1 by 48. देन sorry, k by 48, I missed out k. Then value of k is, there are four options. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 16. Option D, 8. So what is the speciality of this sum? You can ask me, why did you start this type of, pseudo complex sum at the beginning of probability? Because this sum depends on the basic property of probability which we have just discussed, and importance of this sum is it came in 2028 JEE 2028 JEE 23, sorry, 2023, which month? January 25. January
Okay, sir.
25 shift. So that means it has some importance. Now the question, how do I handle this sum? First of all, we take the clue from the previous sum. What clue? That two dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled. Two dices are rolled. So total events 6 into 6, 36. So at least the total events we have got. Now n is the sum of the numbers of the some of the numbers appeared on the dice where two fair dice are thrown. Now how to get a numerical connection to n? Here it is given, these are in GP. N minus 2 root 3n n plus 2 are in GP. So what I can write? That is geometric mean. That is the condition of geometrical progression. That is the condition of geometrical progression. Now this results gives us what? 3n, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So one quadratic equation is knocking at our door. How does it knock and how we can defend that? N square minus 3n minus 4. What we have done, that all terms regarding n and the numerical we have kept in one side and 0 will be kept in other side. So it has taken the expression, the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now either by Siddharacharya or middle term factor, if possible, you can use. If you use middle term factor, that will give you n this thing. Middle term factor from childhood you are doing, so there is no scope, no probability. Though we are doing probability, there is no probability of doing mistake in finding middle term. So n is 4 or n is minus 1, but I will reject minus 1. Why? Because n is sum of the digit. It cannot be minus, because event in probability always greater than or equal to 0, cannot be negative. So this part rejected. So we have got, therefore n is equal to 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
N is what? Sum of the, what is n? You see the criteria, n sum of the numbers. So n is equal to 4 means sum of numbers appeared on dice is equal to 4. So, how can I frame those pair of numbers whose summation will give you 4? You see, you observe, it can be 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3. That is the 3 events. That is favorable events. Favorable events. Can I create more events than these 3, which can give you the summation of 2 pair is 4? No, it cannot give. So these 3 events can be got, okay, by, and that will be accepted as favorable events. Now what is the,
Okay, sir.
understood? So what is the probability? 4 by 36. So probability of the event which we have the requirement 3 by 36, sorry, 3 by 36. 3 by 36 means favorable event 3, total event 36. So cancel 1 by 12. 1 by 12. But in question it is given what? It is given k by 48. So that 1 by 12 must be equal to k by 48. So what is k? 48 by 12, 4. And let's see, does it match with any option given in the question?
Yes, sir. Option B.
Well, yes, option. So in joint entrance examination, a question of simple approach students got. So it is one kind of gift for the student. In this chapter, probability, binomial, okay, that much of toughness will not come. So students should capitalize few chapters by which maximum question you can manage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us add something more. Even few example I am giving you which you did in your junior class. Suppose you have got find the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year. Very common question that is. So we know in a year there are 52 weeks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in a leap year, total number of days is 52 into 7 plus 1, because 365 days means 1 year, but 52 weeks is 364 days. So 1 day extra you have had in your hand, but leap year means 1 day more. Yes or no? So total 366 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now in a leap year total number of days 366, but 52 weeks. means 52 into 7, 364 days. So, in a leap year, how many extra days you are having? 366 minus 364. So, in a leap year, extra days are 366 minus 364 days, that is 2 days. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in that 2 days, how can you propagate? In that 2 days, how can you propagate 1 week? कैसे? ये जो 2 दिन है, टोटल जो डेज होगा, इसको ये 2 दिन में हम अरेंज कैसे करूंगा, एकोमोडेट कैसे करूंगा? देखो, एक हो सकता है वीक स्टार्ट हो रहा है मंडे से, सपोज मंडे ट्यूसडे, दैट इज वन ऑप्शन, 2 दिन, और ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे, और वेडनेसडे थर्सडे, और थर्सडे फ्राइडे, और फ्राइडे सैटरडे, और सैटरडे संडे, और संडे मंडे. So in that 2 extra days, the different days will be arranged in total how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so total event
Oh,
7. Now, how many events in which Sunday involved? 1, 2. Favorable event 2. So, probability of getting, see, in that 52 weeks, already we got 52 Sunday, but another Sunday can come in 2 ways where total outcome 7. So probability of getting 53 Sunday is 2 by 7.
yes, sir.
Okay, important sum that
Okay,
is.
sir.
Okay. Now, see, in set theory, you have had the concept of Venn diagram. See, 2 sets are there, that is A, that is B, and that is called A intersection B. And this region is called A union B. So,
Yes, sir.
just देखो according to your remembrance, in A union B is equal to set A plus B. Once you are adding A and B, that means you are adding the common region twice. So one common region to be subtracted. Now if you want to express it with respect to cardinal number, means number of elements in a set, n A union B, Na plus nb minus n A intersection B. Now to give it the expression of probability, we have to divide both sides by total number of elements, means total effect. How? See, I will divide left hand side by ns and right hand side also by ns, and with that how will be privileged. See, instead of this I can write what according to the classical definition of probability: P A union B. Now here you have to split according to the sign. Na by ns, nb by ns, n A intersection B by ns. So PA PB minus PA intersection B. PA union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. We have got a new property of probability. And when you did set theory, you got the concept of union, that is OR, concept of intersection, that is N. So I can write PA or B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA and B. PA and B. So that formula can be expressed with this concept also. Hope you could follow. Now,
Yes.
now see, let us take the help of Venn diagram again. Suppose we have taken again two sets, A and B are kept aside, that is A and that is B. Do they have any common region? No.
No.
So we can write A intersection B is null. In that case, N A intersection B will be 0. And if so, A and B will be called mutually exclusive events. One example, suppose head and tail. Head and tail, if you toss a coin, you can get two events, either head or tail. But do they have any common, occurrence? No. Either head or
No.
tail can occur. So these are called mutually exclusive events. Okay. Now, if you get in the same manner, if you get that if A union B is equal to S, मीन्स ये दोनों सेट मिलके अगर एक न्यू सेट बन जाए जो यूनिवर्सल सेट है, इस यूनिवर्सल सेट, then A and B are called mutually exhaustive events. Mutually exhaustive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, if A and B are mutually exclusive, therefore, if A and B are mutually exclusive, then already we have got in A intersection B 0. That means probability of A intersection B, that is N A intersection B by NS, that means 0 by NS is equal to 0. So if it occurs, therefore P A union B, where we got PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Now, if A and B are mutually exclusive, तब क्या होगा? ये पार्ट तो जीरो हो जाएगा ना. अगर ए एंड बी म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव हो जाए, हमको क्या मिला? पी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी जीरो. ये सर नो.
Yes. Yes.
then P A union B will be only PA plus PB. In that case, that part will be gone because that part is zero. So this is the condition of mutually exclusiveness of two events. Condition of mutually two events A and B. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.